what the heck are you two supposed to be?
You're dead, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, you're dead.
Dead? Why the heck am I dead?
Well, when you found out that all your stuff got robbed, you passed out. Yeah, and you got rushed to the hospital.
Hospital?
Yeah, and they found an infection where your kidney should be.
My kidney? Where the heck is my kidney?
In Candy Cave, Charlie. Yeah, Candy Cave.
So, what the heck are you guys doing here?
We come to get you, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, we came to get you. It's Halloween. We have to go haunt some people, Charlie. Yeah, let's go haunting.
No, I think I'm just gonna take a nap in these nice fluffy clouds.
Charlie,
Charlie, fine, I'll go haunting with you, bye. I'm already dead. What else could happen to me?
yay, yay.
Guys, why is this place...
Yay!
Hey guys, why is the ground like all green here?
Because it's Halloween, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, Halloween. Yay, Halloween.
Okay, whatever you guys.
La!
Guys, where the heck did those two go? Meow. A kitty cat. What are you doing here, kitty cat? Meow. 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 I love kitty cats. Come here, kitty. What was all that about?
Charlie!
Dude, where the heck did you two go? And what was up with that cat?
What cat, Charlie?
Okay, whatever. Where's that other guy?
I don't know, Charlie. It's Halloween. Scary things happen on Halloween.
Okay, whatever. Can we just get on with this whole haunting thing?
Yeah, Charlie, let's go.
Hey, look, guys. It's like a cave.
Yeah, Charlie, that's the Halloween cave. Yeah, Charlie, Halloween cave.
Oh, where did you come from?
Magical land, Charlie. Magical land, Charlie. We have to go in the cave, Charlie. Yeah, we have to go in the Halloween cave.
Why do we have to go in the cave? I don't really like caves anymore, guys.
Because, Charlie, the cave of Halloween. We have to go through the cave to haunt people, Charlie. Yeah, to haunt people on Halloween, Charlie.
Alright, frickin' let's go through the cave. But you two, what do you go for?
It's all good in the cave, Charlie. Come on, follow up.
I go